I think one of the biggest obstacles that people get hung up on when starting an Etsy shop or a small business is what is their shop name going to be? And it's really sad when you see people have this like passion. They're so creative and they want to put their artwork out there, but they don't. And then a year passes because they couldn't find that perfect name and it's held them back from progress. So today I want to talk about a couple different ways to choose a name, things to think of, and then maybe you can finally find a name that suits you so you can start that Etsy shop.
Hi, I'm Bryn. I've been in the online small business industry since 2015. I own a top 1% performing Etsy shop. I'm also a blogger and a consultant for other creatives wanting to break into the e-commerce industry. I help other creatives that don't want to settle on a niche finally start their Etsy shop and quit their full-time job. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to know every time I post a new video.
So there are 170,000 words in the English dictionary, some crazy number like that. And by choosing a business name, you have to pick one or two words to basically be stuck with the rest of your life. That's a lot of pressure. What I hear often is people are like, oh, I want it to be cute. I want it to be catchy. I want it to be trendy. And I love that. But that's also one of the big reasons why people get hung up on this decision. Is it cute enough? So I think one of the easiest ways is brainstorm 10 to 20 different words that kind of fit you and what you want your brand to be. So it's really good to kind of like try to combine them and make something. I think the easiest way to create a brand name is to use your name or your kid's name or your dog's name. If I was going to be making like dog items for Ted, who's just like chilling over here, I'd totally make something with like Ted or Teddy in the business name. It's easy and it's relevant. So when I first created my shop, I named it Brinny K Designs. Brinny K, that is my family name. And what's nice about it is I can kind of transition what I'm selling. So if I had done Brinny K coffee mugs, I would have had to have stuck with coffee mugs from year 1 to year 7. So at the end, you can try to add designs or co or company just to set your business name apart from your actual name. But it's going to allow you to transition and kind of not just get stuck doing one thing. So after you choose your business name, you're going to want to do a little research. Is the name trademarked? Is the domain available? Is the social media handle available? Are there any weird spellings? Now, this rule definitely has its exceptions, but if people can't spell your business name, they're going to have a hard time finding you on Instagram or Google. So try to make it as easy as possible for people to remember and to find you. So once you come up with your business name, even if you're a little doubtful, I highly, highly suggest moving forward. Technically, you're not tied down. You can change it. Etsy does have that option. But once you've become an established brand, once people know you and who you are and what you sell, it's going to be really hard to change that business name. But try not to take yourself too seriously. I can tell you, if you're watching this video, this is your sign. Decide on your name today and start that Etsy shop.
Be sure to grab my free SEO guide and start getting more traffic to your shop today. Don't forget to subscribe and get notified on my next video so that you can continue to educate yourself on how to start that Etsy shop and grow your business. While you wait for that, go ahead and check out these other videos. I'll see you soon.